Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Crimson Universe. Just got back from the mall and I bought a GiGaWare protective skin for my iPod Touch. It's crystal and pretty cheap, so sure, unbox it. I have another unboxing too. I'll do a quick one after this. So it looks pretty nice. It does not come with a screen protector or anything, which kind of sucks, but whatever. Oh, it's actually very good gel, which is actually kind of cool. My iPod looks kind of clear. Get the speck off. It's kind of weird how you get it on. It's like speck combined some hard with soft. And last little bit to get on. Freaking thing. How do you get this on? Okay, there we go. Alright. Looks pretty cool. And it's not like spec, you don't have to push hard to get the volume rockers or this. Easy access is the bottom one. Sorry, thanks for watching. Subscribe.